Let me try. Okay. Wasn't my intention though. What happened to my 2 minutes worth of stream? Oh man. It SOCKS. You bloody serious? Okay. I think I cannot finish the rest of the stream. So I'm so sorry about that part. Internet in Australia. Serious. Couldn't even finish one thing properly. What the fuck? Oh guys, I'm very sorry. Okay, for some reason this thing is not showing me anything. Not the chat, nothing. I really don't know like what exactly changed for me. So I cannot see the chats. I cannot see literally anything. So yeah, I will finish like this. Unfortunately, I couldn't finish what I was saying, but in case you guys are here, what I was showing or saying there was during this part where they were trying to frame a buy. Yes, we had an inversion, but buy was always a low probability during that moment due to the dealing range, nothing else. Okay, until that low is cleared. But if they framed that buy, how far it can go, forget all the calculations, simple entry, stop loss here or here. This should be the stop loss. Okay, where I put like this, and as I say, I look for a 1 to 2. This was that 1 to 2. Okay, done. This is a 26 handle TP with a 13 handle. I don't care about the handles, I care about same risk, same profit. Okay, because handle is important when you're looking at the contract size, and depending on volatility it can be less. For example, I have set it $350 risk per trade. Okay, now $350 risk per trade is allowing me for a stop loss like this and entry from here to take 13.46 contracts. So let go the 46, 13 contracts, which is 1.3 mini. Since I trade micro just because of this flexibility. If you take one mini contract as your entry, there is no way to take partial or like this sell short. When I took that sell short, I took a partial, even though this was my sell side liquidity. I don't care. Okay. The reason I took it is because I want to secure some profit. If I took one mini instead of 10 micro, then I'm looking at a full closer below this. Imagine, like, after taking this low, market again went higher, because literally on Monday that's how it worked. Yeah, it took this low, but it came and created exact equal low with that other low, which is here. Come on, load it. Okay, so it took the exact equal low, it created the exact equal low, but it didn't clear that liquidity. It went higher literally all the way back. It's a huge pullback over there for that specific day. Here, from here to here, it came literally all the way back from where the entry might have originated. It can be even lower, so you might be stopped out on this leg. So anyway, doesn't matter. Thing is, always good to secure some profit. I just started the stream to I just restarted the stream so that I can finish what I started. Yeah, so without much of the without much of the calculation, this is what happens when you have something as a minimum target, which is 1 to 2. That's why it happens. And the reason I like micro is because how much I want to risk per trade, I can take a I can select my contract size based on that. Similarly, when let's say where can I, okay, let's say here. Okay, there was the inversion here, and similar way, it's a big fair value gap, closed above mid, closed around that one. Yes, not a perfect way, again not closed above, but let's say this is your inversion, just for the sake of understanding. And my entry is from here, and a stop loss based on the third candle low here. Or since you may be looking at a order block, maybe the maximum you can do is like a little bit below the min threshold. This, it's a 55 handle. Because it's a 55 handle, I'm not taking the entry. Okay, think like this is the entry. So this is, because it's a 55 handle, I'm not taking it. But one candle can deliver 44 handle, man. This is a 44 handle worth of delivery in a one single candle. So why can, if it can deliver this way, why can't you expect it can deliver the other way? For example, this candle at 948, this is a 47.25 handle. This candle, after giving you the entry, let's say this candle gave you the entry. So this up close candle, one single candle, just the opening to the close, is a 35 handle worth of delivery. From the low to high, it's like 50 handle worth of delivery. Okay, here to here, 53.5 handle. If it can deliver this direction, why it cannot deliver the other direction? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, breaker, block. Okay, however you want to mark it. Anyway, the thing is, when the volatility is high, my stop loss size can change, it can differ. But just because of that, if I'm willing to risk that $350, all I have to do is, instead of 13 contracts that I was looking for from this area or this area, now I'm looking at a three contract entry. I'm risking the same 3 micro. What happened? 1 to 2 delivered, I will get exactly $700 profit with 3 micro contacts. With 13 micro contacts, 1 to 2 delivered, I will get exactly $700 profit. I just want to reduce the unnecessary calculation. Oh, it's a 53 handle stop loss, it's a 40 handle stop loss, I cannot take the entry. If it's your setup, if it has fulfilled the criteria, which is why it should go, how it should go, and where. Oh, sorry, I don't know why I wrote that way. So anyway, I'll just write here. These are the three questions you ask yourself. Okay, why it should go, how it is going, and from where it is going, or where it is going. Those things. Okay, three questions. Next three question is, where is the entry, where is the exit or TP, and where is the stop loss. If you have answer for this, why not taking that entry? I have an inversion, how it's going after clearing weekly low, after doing accumulation, manipulation, distribution, whatever. Okay, so I have why, how, where. This is a huge fall, premium, today's high to today's low. Every day it does that. 25% level, how it was doing over here, 50% level, it will go every day, not one day, 2 days, every day. So you can expect that you have these liquidities, you have these as your liquidities. So you are looking for your question, your answer. Once you get that, okay, think this way. I'm showing you a buy long, don't worry about the buy long. Okay, bearish market, range 50% traded until this high is taken, it's not bullish from the higher time frame point of view, from the daily range. Okay, same three questions: from where, how, and why. What you should do, same. Okay, I don't know the setup that you have, how your setup looks like, I don't know that. For some people this can be a setup. Okay, this area overlapping fair value gap retest, like liquidity MSS. Okay, you can be thinking, why not that high? Again, traded, cleared liquidity, traded 50%. It's a long wick candle that's been taking liquidities while trading into a fair value. Long wick. This wick itself is 25.75 handle, or let's say 26 handle. It's comparatively long wick, because this type of wick, where was the last time you saw? And what wick? Not just any long wick. This is a wick that's been trading, taking liquidities while trading into a imbalance and premium area. It's not any imbalance, it's in premium above 50% fair value. And I showed already the 5-minute and 15-minute fair value overlapping that level. Okay, so that type of wick. Don't worry, I'm just saying this way. Okay, even if this is your inversion entry. Okay, bearish market, higher time frame point of interest, market has inverted for any reason, this is your inversion entry, that's your stop loss. 42 handle worth of stop loss. That's same. Why it changed, I don't know, but let's say $350 risk. Let me actually say okay, for micro contract, you are risking the same amount, 1 to 2, or since there is a fair value, there are some consolidations or little liquidity that you can see, maybe, or take a partial and then look for this or this. Bearish market, right? So whatever. Okay, simple. Too much calculation, reduce it. 1 to 2, it's gonna give you with 4 contracts that same thing, either a $350 loss or a $700 profit. Happy with that? Finish the day, no worries. You don't have to be part of this market for the entire day. Know the reason, choose a direction, and stick with that. So yeah, because I was unable to finish on my previous stream, I'm just finishing that part here. Very simple. Okay, so see you all tomorrow for the giveaway, and again congratulations to Murad. After the tomorrow's giveaway, I will ask you guys for your registered email ID on my Discord. Okay, so if you're not registered with BlueGuardian Futures, make sure you register with them so that if you win, you can claim the giveaway using the email. So BlueGuardian Futures, not BlueGuardian. Okay, they have both CFD and futures, and this is the futures, not the CFD. So yeah, so I'll finish it here. Okay, see you all tomorrow, similar time. Like I will try to come before New York opening, like around 9:30 area. But if not, within that time window, same. And hope that the internet will provide me a better service by tomorrow. So yeah, until next time, take a very good care of yourself, your health, and your loved one. And I don't know why at 2:30 at midnight I'm still receiving call from my country people. Yeah, bye bye.